Hi, Mr. Patil. Good afternoon to you, and thanks a lot for joining us today in BloombergQuint. I first want to ask, you guys are into API formulations, and also you have a small segment, you have a subsidiary which is into specialty chemicals. Are any of these segments that the company operates into have been impacted due to coronavirus, be it positively or negatively?
Yes, the API segment, lot of competition for our business is from China. So that way it is positive for us in terms of demand-supply mismatch. But anyways, we are taking care that there should be no shortage of any drugs for the domestic market. So first we will be giving preference to the domestic market and then to the export market. Even the government is quite concerned about this scenario.
Okay, so you're saying there's a lot of competition when it comes to APIs that you manufacture with China. So have you received any additional orders in light of whatever is happening in China because of production shutdown?
Yes, we can clearly see that many of the domestic companies and to some extent even the export clients, they are trying to, enter more and more into longer term contracts because they are also afraid that if they don't do that, then there might be shortage in future, something like that.
Okay, so this was the segment, Mr. Patil, API, which grew about 27%, I believe, in the last quarter. And you guys had highlighted the growth that came in was entirely due to volume growth. Will it be fair enough to say that the current quarter will be better than the last quarter as well, and we can expect higher volume growth?
Yes. Higher volume growth, this quarter will also do quite good. No doubt, December was the leaner season. So definitely this quarter we should be doing better than the December quarter.
Okay. And have the prices also gone up because of coronavirus?
Yes, because of the coronavirus, the prices of many of the APIs have gone up. Definitely. In some cases, 5 to 15%, something like that.
It's going to be both volume as well as price-led growth that one can expect in the current quarter, am I right?
Correct.
Okay, and you said prices have gone up by nearly 10 to 15%. Do you think this is sustainable then, going into March or even the first quarter of next?
Maybe March month, it will remain, the situation might remain the same, but I think it should slowly ease out because from what we see, few shipments from China has started, though there will be some delay in terms of logistics. But at least the Chinese people are opening up. The shipments have started from Chinese ports.
Okay, great. So API segment, you guys have been impacted positively due to the issue. What about formulations and the specialty chemical side?
So whatever formulations we are into, as of now, we don't have any shortage because almost 40-50% of the consumption is captive, since they buy from our API standalone company. So that subsidiary is not impacted much from this coronavirus issue. Also, the specialty chemical segment, that is not impacted. That situation is more or less same as the API segment.
Okay, leave us, Mr. Patil, with regard to an update for your Tarapur facility. I believe there was an import alert there. What's the update right now?
There is not much update. Actually, one of our Chinese clients were supposed to get inspected by US FDA, who has referred our DMF. So right now, I don't have information where that audit must have been a little bit postponed. I need to check with them. But that would have been a very good trigger to get our plant re-inspected from FDA.
Okay, Mr. Patil, thanks a lot for joining us and all the best to you.